on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We are headed back out to the shop, see what's going on out there today. It is a beautiful day. First day in about 2 to 3 weeks that I've walked out of the house, and the humidity has just not taken my breath away. Even in the mornings, it's been horrible. But the cool front came through, so hopefully that will keep the humidity at bay, at least for today, I hope. We will see. In the south, there really is no break away from the humidity hardly ever during the summer, but it is what it is. Did not get out to the track last night. The cool front that came through actually was causing up a little stir. We had some tornado watches issued, so the track owner closed the track down as a precaution, just in case anything happened. Fortunately, nothing did happen. I don't even think I got any rain at my house, unless it was after I went to bed. But like I said, the track was closed, so no track videos this week, which sucks because I really enjoy going out to the track. But hey, what can you do? There's always next week, right? But guys, we'll see you at the Dover shop. What are y'all doing?
Doing time lapse right now.
You are painting.
My camera's time lapsing. Don't mind me.
Yeah, he's just painting. Y'all will go to his channel and watch this time lapse video. Dude, you're doing some awesome work right there.
I'm telling you, like, this technique is unreal.
Dude, right? Always. Dover, what's going on?
Doing it, man.
So what are we doing today, guys?
I think we're gonna stick motor trans in this. Do you remember?
Oh yeah.
Doing a little getting the rear end ready. We didn't get a clutch and flywheel for that.
So your transmission came in from Hanlon.
There it is.
The built 3650.
Look at that freaking brand new resprung and perfectly set Pro 50 shifter.
Click.
Dude.
God.
Dude, it's gonna be awesome.
We got to unwrap it.
But we didn't get a clutch, did we?
No.
So unfortunately, it will not live life this weekend, maybe next weekend. So this is the motor that's going into the red and black car. This is a 302, right?
302, fuel injected, 5-speed.
Pretty much basic. Just get the car back on the road. Caleb, I'm hungry.
You need some water. It's really hot.
Dover, are you hungry?
Always.
Guys, we're gonna grab a quick bite to eat for lunch, so we'll see you back at the shop in a little bit. All right, guys, so we got the motor in. Sorry I didn't film it. Was busy putting it in. Was busy putting it in while Caleb was filming it, so you can see it on his channel. You go up and put the transmission in, and then the clutch is already on.
Clutch is on.
All right, so we put a center force clutch in. Yeah, that's why I was messing with them.
Mount shot, huh?
Yeah, it's done.
Done.
It is Dunskies. There is no more of that. Alright guys, this is a 2000 Saleen owned by a friend of ours, Dennis. It is one of 3 in Amazon Tropic Green, and it is mint. This car is so clean. Got the racing seats he put in, and what steering wheel is that, Caleb?
FR500.
FR500 steering wheel. That's what I thought it was. I wasn't.
clean side of the dash and the console lid.
That is just one sweet car. I wanted to show it to y'all. The owner has kept it immaculate through the years. It's only got 30,000 miles, Caleb. It's only got 30,000 miles on it. It's 2000 Saleen. Like I said, one of 3 in this color. It is just immaculate. With Cody, I'd say right here, be done. Call it a day.
For the day, we should unbolt it.
We just unbolt and take the exhaust and throw it on the ground. Yeah. I mean, we're putting a power glide in it.
No, that's a 351 X5.
No, we're not cutting that pipe. We'll unbolt it before we'll unbolt it. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure a 350. You can't make a 302 one work with a Windsor, can you?
No.
No.
Because they're wider, it's higher and wider.
If you've got a welder.
Completely off.
Yeah, open header.
Open headers.
Open header. Yeah, open header. No, that's just right there.
That's perfect.
Sounds like pure evil.
Sounds better to do with what?
What, Caleb? Hey guys, so we got the C4 out and we got the power glide ready to go in. He just has to get a different flex plate for it to work, so he's going to order that. We should be going back with it this week or a weekend and get this thing on the road. But it is going to be a monster at the track. The engine and transmission is in this car, so now we just got to do everything else. Everything. But it will hit the road one day.
Compared to what it was with over when it
Oh yeah, well it was just horrible. It has done a complete 180 turnaround. I thought the day was almost over, but Cody has decided to put a GT front bumper on his coupe. So Caleb, what do you think about the GT front bumper on the Calypso coupe?
This is gonna be bad. We need to get
look like Dado.
we're gonna need to get the front end down. But I mean, it's gonna be a beast.
This is going to be the Fox of many colors.
Oh, all right, Cody. That's right. Mr. Hanky Part 2. That's right. Mr. Hanky's evil cousin. Shit by Mr. Spanky. Spanky.
The spank bank.
Spanky.
And what's really cool is you've got the plugs to plug up the fog lights if you put fog lights in it.
No,
They
man,
come
we don't
factory.
need extra weight, man.
All that weight.
Here, I'll get these leaves out for you, Cody.
Thanks, man.
Here, I'll put them right there for safekeeping.
Thanks. Good man.
Yeah, you gotta swap the headlights out.
Just a little 10 millimeters, Cody.
There he is. Let's plug your lights up before we stick it off in there too long. I'm not reaching, man. I'm not reaching, man. I think the bumper may be holding it.
The bumper cover is actually different. Or the bumper is definitely different.
I don't know. I'm going. I'm getting there.
Take that bit.
All right, so they got it done. Need to paint it.
Yeah. You do a lot of things.
Need to get the Cobra piece for the front bumper. But guys, leave a comment and let us know, should he leave this bumper on. Now he's going to put the side pieces on, put the Cobra front piece on, and he's going to paint the whole car. So Cody, what do you think about it?
One step at a time. It's alright.
I think with the GT other pieces and it painted, I think it'll look good. One step at a time. Well guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.